வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, கல்வி சேவை உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறது. இன்றைக்கி இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னு சொன்னால் 10th சோஷியலில் டு யூ நோங்கிற பார்ட் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு பார்ட் நம்ம பார்த்துட்டோம். இது அடுத்த பார்ட் போட்டிருக்கேன் இங்கிலீஷ் மீடியமில். உங்களுக்கு இது ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். நீங்கள் ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். ரவுண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் GAWT வருது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இன் ஜெனீவா, சுவிட்சர்லாந்து 1947, செகண்ட் இன் அனேசி, ஃப்ரான்ஸ் in 1949, third in Turkey, UK in 1950-51, fourth, fifth and sixth in Geneva, Switzerland in 1956, 1960-61, 1964-67, seventh in Tokyo, Japan in 1973-79, eighth and final round at Punta del Este, Uruguay in 1986-1994, known as Uruguay round. Top 10 largest multinational companies in India 2018 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Sony Corporation, Hewlett Packard, Tata Group, Microsoft Corporation, IBM, Nettle, Procter and Gamble, Citigroup, Pepsi Company, the Coca-Cola Company. Estimation of GDP அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் the Central Statistical Organization CSO under the Ministry of Statistical Department keeps a record. Its process involves conducting an annual survey of industries and complication of various indexes like the Index of Industrial Production, Consumer Price Index, CPI, etc. The modern concept of GDP was first developed by Simon Kuznets for a US Congress report in 1934. In 1867-68, for the first time, Dadabhai Naoroji had ascertained the per capita income in his book Poverty and Un-British Rule of India. The High Court of Madras is the one of the three high courts in India established in the three presidency towns of Bombay, Calcutta and Madras by letters patent granted by Queen Victoria, bearing date 26 June 1862. The High Court building is the second largest judicial complex in the world after London. In Tamil Nadu, according to the strength of Legislative Assembly, 234 members, the number of ministers may be up to 36. Example, 15% of 234. The Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir was adopted on the 17th November 1957 and came into force on 26 January 1957. The Constitution of India grants special status to Jammu and Kashmir among Indian states, and it is the only state in India to have a separate constitution. The directive principles of the state policy and fundamental duties of the constitution are not applicable to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Right to property, which is denied as a fundamental right to rest of the India, is still guaranteed in Jammu and Kashmir. Sarkaria Commission on Center-State Relations suggested that the appointment of the governor should be made from a panel to be prepared by the state legislature or from a panel to be prepared by the state government, in effect the chief minister, or invariably with the concurrence of the state chief minister, or invariably in consultation with the state chief minister. The Supreme Court of India, New Delhi, was inaugurated on January 28, 1950. It succeeds the Federal Court of India, established under the Government of India Act of 1935. Money Bill. Rajya Sabha does not have any power to amend or reject the money bill. Lok Sabha can only introduce money bill, and once it is approved by the Lok Sabha, it is passed to Rajya Sabha for its approval. If Rajya Sabha fails to pass it within 14 days, then the bill gets passed without approval of Rajya Sabha. Also, Lok Sabha does not need to consider the amendments proposed by the Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha can reject all the proposals and pass it. Parliament session. Budget session from February to May, monsoon session from July to September, winter session from November to December. Elected members of the Parliament from Tamil Nadu, Rajya Sabha 18 members, Lok Sabha 39 members. According to Article 100 of the Constitution, the Vice President can only cast his vote when there is a tie over the bill in the Rajya Sabha. It means that there is need for one vote only to pass the bill. So, Vice President, using this discretion power, cast his vote in favor or against the bill. No members have any right to oppose his decision. If the post of President and Vice Presidents lie vacant, Chief Justice of India works as President. This situation happened in 1969 when Chief Justice M. Hidayatullah was appointed as President of India. Kerala and Punjab are the states where the president's rule was imposed for maximum number of times, example 9 times in both states. List of Presidents of India: Rajendra Prasad 1950 to 1962, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan 1960 to 1967, Shakir Hussain 1967 to 1969, V.V. Giri 1969 to 1974, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad 1974 to 1977, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy 1977 to 1982, Gaini Zail Singh 1980 to 1987, Venkatraman 1987 to 1992, Shankardayal Sharma 1990 to 1997, K.R. Narayanan 1997 to 2002, A.B.J. Abdul Kalam 2002 to 2017, Pratibha Patil 2007 to 2012, Pranab Mukherjee 2012 to 2017, Ram Nath Govind வந்து 2072 till now. It is a well-known fact that the President of India resides at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. The residence and the office of the President are located in the same building. However, he has two other office residences where he conducts office at least once a year. They are the Retreat Building at Shimla and the Rashtrapati Nilayam at Hyderabad. These locations, one in north and other one is south, symbolize the unity of the country and unity of the diverse culture of the people. It is a well-known fact that President of India resides at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. The residence and the office the President was located in the same building. However, he has two other office residence where the conduct laws once a year. The retreat building is the same, Rashtrapati Nilayam. Then the south symbolizes unity of country and unity of the diverse culture of the people. 42 and amendment of the Constitution is known as the mini Constitution. The Union List, State List and Concurrent List consisting at present 161 and 52 items respectively. The 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 transferred 5 subjects to Concurrent List from State List, that is education, forest, weight and measures, protection of wild animals and birds, and administrations of justice, constitution and organization of all courts except the Supreme Court and the High Court. In 1969, the Tamil Nadu government appointed a 3-member committee under the chairmanship of Dr. P.V. Rajamanna to examine the entire question of center-state relation. In 2004, the Government of India decided to create new category of languages called as classical languages. So far, the 6 languages are granted the classical languages status, namely Tamil 2004, Sanskrit 2005, Telugu 2008, Kannada 2008, Malayalam 2013 and Odia 2014. The 1886th Amendment Act of 2002 changed the subject matter of Article 45 and made elementary education a fundamental right under Article 21A. The amendment directive requires the state to provide early childhood care and education for all children until they complete the age of 6 years. Right to constitutional remedies பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Art 32 it allows individual to seek redressal for the violation of their fundamental rights. Right to religion, freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion வந்து Art 25. Art 26 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா freedom to manage religious affairs. Art 27 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of any religion. Art 28 வந்து freedom from attending religious instruction or worship in certain educational institutions. Cultural and educational rights பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Art வந்து 29 protection of language, script and culture of minorities. Art 30 right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution. Right to religion பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Art 25 freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Art 26 பார்த்தா freedom to manage religious affairs. Art 27 freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of any religion. Art 28 freedom from attending religious instruction or workshop in certain educational institution. Right against exploitation பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Art 23 prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Art 24 prohibition of employment of children in factories etc. Right to freedom. Art 19 freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence and profession. Art 20 protection in respect of convention of offences. Art 21 protection of life and personal liberty. Art 21A right to elementary education. Art 22 protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Art to quality. Art 14 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா equality. Art 2 equality before law. Art 15 prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Art 16 equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Art 17 abolition of untouchability. Art 18 abolition of titles except military and academic. Magna Carta is the Charter of Rights issued by King John of England in 1215 under pressure from the barons. This is the first written document relating to the fundamental rights of citizens. Right to property, Art 31 was deleted from the list of fundamental rights by the 44th Amendment Act 1978. It is made a legal right under Article 300A in Part 12 of the Constitution. Prem Bihari Narayan Raisada was the calligrapher of the Indian Constitution. The original Constitution was handwritten by him in a flowing italic style. Liberty, equality and fraternity were the important slogans during the French Revolution in 1789. They are given importance in the preamble of our Constitution. In 2007, the Government of India merged the Air India and Indian Airlines under National Aviation Corporation of India Limited (NACIL), in which NACIL-A provides international services, NACIL-I provides domestic services and services to neighboring countries in Southeast Asia and Middle East. The state of Meghalaya has no railway network. The first suburban railway was started in 1925 in Mumbai. Chennai becomes the sixth Indian city with metro railway. Gatiman Express is the fastest operational train in India. This train connects New Delhi and Agra and touches 160 km per hour. This train takes a travel time of 105 minutes to cover 200 km journey. National Highways Authority of India was established in 1995. It is an autonomous body under the Ministry of Surface Transport. The first train steamed off from Mumbai to Thane in 1853, covering a distance of 34 km. In 1951, the systems were nationalized as one unit, the Indian Railways. The headquarters of Indian Railways is New Delhi. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்திருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.